bout is scheduled for one fall with a 60-minute time limit and is hereby sanctioned by IWTV in conjunction with Beyond Wrestling as the 98th defense of the Independent Wrestling Championship.
Yeah.
The bell sounds, the man in charge, referee Kevin Quinn. Now the participants. First, to my right, wrestling out of Long Island, New York. She is the #1 contender. She's